Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on, YouTube? Middle Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. This package was sent by Christian, and it is most likely something that was in response to my request for, I made a community post saying, hey, I'm looking for some knives. A bunch of amazing people contacted me and said, yeah, no problem. So thank you, Christian. We'll find out more as soon as we get into the box. Thanks so much to my generous patrons for supporting me right now. If you'd like to check out my Patreon and get your hands on some cool stickers, there's, of course, a link down in the description. You can follow me if you want to. All right, let's go ahead and get in here. Make a quick cut right there, and just a little something extra there on the sides. Makes it easier when I inevitably have to use my hands to gorilla my way into this package. And yeah, precision surgical cuts, of course, making everything much easier. I'm actually going to have to make another cut. I am dedicated to that unboxing tool. It will be used. You guys just have to kind of sit there and wait for me to get everything out. Okay, we've got some paper towels. We're going to get this off of here. Nicely, very, very thoroughly wrapped. All right. I do not recognize the logo on that at all. I'm hoping that there is a note in here. Let's bring the exposure up a bit so you guys can see. What do we have in here? There is a note. Oh goodness, this is fancy. Okay. That was a very different, that was the contrast between the paper towels and the duct tape and this fancy letter. We're gonna just, gosh, I almost don't want to ruin the outside. That seal. All right, hang on everybody, hang on. Oh my goodness, this is the real deal. Let's see here. Your handwriting is beautiful, by the way. Okay, so here is the Instagram account. I'm going to show you guys here real quick. So make sure that you give them a follow. Let's see here. I thought I'd include a typed one in case you couldn't read my handwriting. Well, the funny thing is your handwriting is beautiful. This is the most beautiful cursive handwriting I've ever seen in my life. He says, here are the two knives we agreed on, and then he says the name of them. And then he also included something else. Let's see here. Do hope you find you like integral designs as much as I do. I do very much like integral designs. Should you have any questions? He's commenting on my choice of beverage here. I'm always available on Instagram. Okay. Well, thank you so much. That was very nice. I'm legitimately going to keep. By the way, guys, I keep all these notes and stuff like this. I keep because I just think it's awesome. So thank you so much. We got some beauties in here, guys. I'm sure you guys can. Guys. How many times have I said that? I'm sure you guys can tell by the thumbnail. Oh boy, let's go ahead and get this guy out. Ooh. Very, very cool. Holy moly. Yeah, this is, wow, look at that lock bar. Goodness, that is some thick titanium. This is an integral. So let's get the name on this guy here real quick, even though it probably says it in the thumbnail. Let's see here. Wait. Is this the BRS E-Volve Eon? I don't know if this is the Eon or the, let's check the other one. No, this is the Reate Future. So this is the BRS E-Volve Aeon and the Reate Future. Okay, so the Reate Future, here we go. Yeah, I'm very aware of this guy. I remember looking at this, or seeing it the very first time that it came out. Man, these integrals are just amazing. God, Reate does a good job. Sometimes, guys, I'm just overwhelmed. These are two very, very beautiful knives. Let me make sure here. Okay, perfect. Yep, that's everything. Just making sure everything is squared away. Very, Very beautiful knives. Can't wait to dive into these. This one I'm not familiar with at all. I'll give you guys another look at this. I mean, I love integrals. Truthfully, it's almost the fact that it is an integral will make me interested in it by default. That is truthfully the case. That flipper tab, this is Elijah Isham. Is that what it said there? Yeah, Elijah Isham design. I remember, you know, he's got a distinct placement of the flipper tab and then this area up here. I think you see that a lot in his designs. This is very, very interesting. All right, guys, I think I've said everything that I can say. Thank you so much again to the gentleman who sent these along. Where's my little card thingy? I have no idea where that went. Anyways, you guys can follow me on Instagram if you want. It's in the beginning of the video. That's going to be pretty much it today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Hope you are excited. If you are excited, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. If you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that metal complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.